FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing one of the 4114 mice. I don't know if I'm saying that right. 4114. I don't know. Here we go. This is the Digital Renaissance Chrome. The Digital Renaissance Chrome here. We got a beautiful big old pad. This thing's not going to pick up. I got to move my Red Bull. I'm doing this in the middle of a live stream for those tuning in. Let's hope I don't break shit. Alright. Got the Chrome. Oh, alright. I'm screaming. I'm breaking shit. Oh, man. This has... Fuck. I need to get a knife. I'll be right back. I gotta get a knife. Oh, boy. Okay. Okay. Where's my knife? Alright. There it is. There it is. Alright. Boy Scout FragWatch here. Coming in raw. I'm pressing buttons on my keyboard. Is this folds in? Oh man. What? Is that, yeah. How thick is that plastic? Alright, we're gonna leave that out. What the hell? Alright. We're opening it. Here we go. Here we go. It looks like we got a sleeve. Yeah, we got a sleeve within a thick boy sleeve. Okay, that's cool, I guess. It's a lot of sleeves. It's a lot of sleeves for one package. We got the 411 big ass fucking logo here. Here we go. We're popping her open. We're doing it. We're doing it. Woo! Oh, we're looking good. It comes with some plastic over the backing, which means this boy's going to be a sticky boy. Some stickers just flew out. All right, this is going to be like heresy to some of you. I'm putting this on the ground. Sorry, Tekusai. This is a fucking... This Guardian pad's sweet, by the way. To those who don't know, it's a sweet one. It's a good one. All right, let's get this bad boy up here. Yeah. Oh, man. This is sweet. This. I'm excited again for the day. Holy moly. I drove for 16 of the last 18 hours in a car. Of course, what am I driving, a fucking golf cart around? I mean, maybe. I guess, yeah. It's a little bit before that. That would be true. 48 hours ago. Anyways. Here's a fun fact. I had a handicap of 1 when I was a young lad in golf. I do not have a handicap of 1 anymore. I'd be lucky if I shoot under like 90, 95. Good Lord. Hano. All right, here we go. That is the unboxing of, this thing is sweet. The unboxing of the 4114 Chrome. It's kind of like a, it's like, that's bizarre. Oh, that's a cool texture. I'm gonna like this. Okay, it's good design. Queue up for the next one. We'll open another mouse pad after this game. That sound good?
Yes, Hano, that sounds good.
Yeah, FragWatch. That's what we like. I'm like, okay. Alright, thanks guys. Oh, I gotta stop recording. Sorry about that. Like I said, I've been driving for 16 of the last 18 hours, and 4 of that was through a snowstorm. Not fun. All right.